Ever felt like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while riding a unicycle? All while trying to remember that client email you forgot to send? Yeah, me too. And if you're a freelancer, you probably know that feeling all too well. We're masters of many trades, but often, the biggest challenge isn't the work itself, it's managing it all. Think about it. We're not just delivering projects, we're also marketing ourselves, handling invoices, chasing payments, and trying to maintain some semblance of a work-life balance. It's a chaotic symphony of tasks, deadlines, and communication. And in that chaos, organization becomes less of a luxury and more of a survival skill. Now, we've all experimented with different tools. Maybe it's a trusty notebook, a spreadsheet that's become a labyrinth, or a scattered collection of sticky notes. But what if there was a digital space that could bring some order to this madness? A space that could help you streamline your workflow, keep track of projects, and ultimately, free up more time for what you actually love doing? That's where Asana comes in. And the question we're tackling today is Asana actually good for freelancers? Is it just another productivity app promising the moon? Or is it a genuine game changer for those of us navigating the freelance jungle? Let's dive in. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is Asana? In its simplest form, it's a work management platform. Think of it as a central hub for all your projects, tasks, and communication. It allows you to break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks, assign them to yourself or team members, if you have them, set deadlines, and track progress. But freelancers are a unique breed. We don't always operate within traditional team structures. So, how does Asana cater to our specific needs? One of the biggest advantages for freelancers is its flexibility. You can use Asana for a wide range of tasks, from managing client projects to tracking your own marketing efforts. You can create different projects for each client, breaking down their deliverables into individual tasks. You can also use it to manage your own internal workflows, like content creation, social media scheduling, or even personal goals. Let's talk about the features that really resonate with freelancers. Task management, detailed task breakdown. You can break down complex projects into smaller, actionable tasks. This is crucial for staying organized and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. You can add descriptions, attachments, and comments to each task, providing all the necessary context. Due dates and reminders. Never miss a deadline again. Asana allows you to set due dates for each task and receive reminders, keeping you on track and accountable. Custom fields. This is where Asana really shines for freelancers. You can create custom fields to track specific information relevant to your projects, such as client names, project stages, payment status, or even hours worked. This level of customization allows you to tailor Asana to your unique workflow. Recurring tasks. For those repetitive tasks, like sending weekly client updates or invoicing, Asana's recurring task feature is a lifesaver. Set it once, and Asana will automatically create the task at the specified interval. Project management, board, list, and calendar views. Asana offers different views to visualize your projects. The board view is great for Kanban-style workflows. The list view provides a clear overview of tasks, and the calendar view allows you to see deadlines and milestones at a glance. Project templates. Save time by creating project templates for recurring projects. This is especially useful for freelancers who work with similar clients or deliver the same types of services. Progress tracking. Asana provides visual representations of project progress, allowing you to see how close you are to completion. This helps you stay motivated and identify potential roadblocks. Communication and collaboration. Comments and attachments. Communicate with clients or collaborators directly within Asana, keeping all project-related communication in one place. You can also attach files and documents to tasks, ensuring everyone has access to the necessary information. Integrations. Asana integrates with a wide range of other tools, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier. This allows you to streamline your workflow and connect Asana to the other apps you use daily. Time management, time tracking integrations. While Asana doesn't have built-in time tracking, it integrates with several popular time tracking apps, allowing you to track your billable hours directly within your projects. Prioritization. Asana allows you to prioritize tasks, ensuring you focus on the most important items first. This is crucial for freelancers who often juggle multiple projects at once. Benefits specifically for freelancers. Client management. Asana allows you to create separate projects for each client, keeping their work organized and separate. You can also invite clients to collaborate on projects, providing them with visibility into the progress. Marketing and business development. Use Asana to manage your own marketing efforts, track leads, and schedule social media posts. Personal organization. Asana isn't just for work. You can also use it to manage your personal tasks and goals, helping you maintain a healthy work-life balance. Cost effectiveness. Asana offers a free plan that's suitable for many freelancers. Even the paid plans are relatively affordable, especially compared to other project management tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.